Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Trupti Pai. I'm a homeopathic practitioner and I've been practicing homeopathy for the last 17 years. Mostly my patients have been women and children, and treating children has always been fun because they are pure. There is no filtration anywhere. What is there in front of your eyes is what it is. And treating women has also been quite interesting because in these years I've realized that most of their ailments are because of some emotional or hormonal disturbances that is going through them in their day-to-day life. And along with the homeopathic treatment, I've been counseling them as well, and which has helped most of them. So I thought that why not understand the system of counseling in a better way. What I counsel, what I tell patients, I'm not sure that how much justice I'm being able to do to the counseling part. Although I'm aware that the homeopathic treatment, the homeopathic part, I'm able to manage well. But I thought let me understand the counseling part also really well. And I always wanted to be a homeopathic practitioner. And my aim of being a doctor is to understand people, to heal them, to treat them, and most importantly is to give them a hearing ear. Many people just want people to hear you out. They don't need your advice, they don't need your suggestion. Sometimes people just want to come out and vent out, and all they want you to is just listen to them. And I felt that I can be that ear to them, where they can come, vent out, feel better, and wherever possible I can guide them and help them ease out their emotional disturbances. For a long period of time I have been looking for counseling courses, but I did not find any good one. I think maybe NHCA was the thing that should have happened to me. And last year, just while going through the Google pages, I came across NHCA ad on counseling and psychotherapy. So I went through their website, and I just loved it. I liked their curriculum very well, and I enrolled for it. The good thing about NHCA is it is not like any other course that I've heard about or gone through their website. There's a lot of practical knowledge that they teach. Even these topics that is covered in the counseling book that is written by Dr. Pawan Mittal sir, it is about be it the autism chapter, the ADHD or the bipolar disease, or on schizophrenia, or about eating disorders. It is so beautifully written. The signs and symptoms are so well explained that you cannot forget it. There's a lot of repetition of it, and the repetition is good. And what he teaches is you don't write down in your book, because when you write in the book it just remains in the book. What you need to do is you need to register it here. So when you register it in your mind, when you keep reading it, it gets registered here, and once it registers here you will never forget it. But when you start writing, making notes, it is always there in the notes, and it is so rightly said. Most of the times you just write it and then it is done. What we need to do is, instead of writing in the book, we need to write it here. And that is what I learned in this course. And there are chapters like on loneliness, sadness. So, the way it is explained that loneliness is good. It's not that loneliness is bad. Some people enjoy their loneliness in a positive way. So there are certain topics where you always feel it to be a negative. Like for example, even OCD. OCD is a gift. That's what he writes in his book. And actually the way you can make OCD in a positive way and make it your strength, and how it helps you run your day-to-day life, so beautifully it is explained. So there's a lot that I learned in this in this course on counseling. And I also have enrolled for his psychotherapy sessions that he does on Sundays. And the techniques that he teaches is very nice. I really would recommend a lot of people who want to enter into counseling and psychotherapy to please enroll for his psychotherapy sessions, because it heals you. So I feel that in this journey of treating people, if you are healed from within, you can heal others. If there is a lot of positivity in you, you can share your positivity with others. So that is what I learned in this course. Another thing that I learned is about smiling. It is so important to smile. And I remember in every session of his, the first thing he says is smile. Be cheerful. Doesn't matter what people think about you. Let them think you're crazy. Being crazy is good. Being average is good. And smile is so important. The moment you smile, there's a happy hormones that are released and you feel good from within. Only when you feel good from within, you can treat others, you can see them, you can understand what's going on with them. But if you carry a burden along with you, how will you treat others? There's always a barrier. So best thing is smile. And in his psychotherapy sessions, the practical knowledge that he shares is, only if you go through the journey, you know what journey your patient will go through. You have to heal yourself from within. Only when you are able to heal yourself, when you are able to experience those therapy sessions on your own, you will know that what your patient can experience and how useful it is going to be for him. And these sessions are online, so when online he can heal us, definitely we too can have an online session and heal others. So the entire concept, it's more of a practical knowledge that has been shared rather than just theory. And that is one thing that I really loved about this course. And I'm very thankful to Pawan Mittal sir and even Dr. Aarti ma'am. The sessions that Aarti ma'am took was, I liked the way she explains. There's a lot of calmness when she talks, and each and every question that has been asked during the session, she answers each one of them. And even the child sessions that she took on child counseling, every part is so nicely explained. Along with the practical scenarios, that if a child comes in this situation, how do you handle it, how do you handle the parents, how do you talk to them, how do you remove a fear in a child, how important is communication between the parent and the child. These different aspects are explained. So for me personally, I felt though it took a lot of time, like it's almost, as I said, I've been in practice for 17 years, and for last, I think, almost 6-7 years I've been searching for a counseling course. So I feel though it is late for me to do this course, still it is better, because the wait is worth it, because I ended up into a correct institute at a correct place, maybe at the correct time. And I really want to make this knowledge, I want to use this knowledge of mine in healing people, in treating people. And now I feel confident that I can counsel people, counsel women in a better way. I know that when they approach me, how I will be able to talk to them or answer them and treat them. So in all these years, whatever areas that I felt that I have missed out, now I can fill in those gaps. So that is one of the reasons that I feel quite good and knowledgeable after doing this course. And as I said, I'm really thankful to Mittal sir. In this journey of learning counseling and psychotherapy, he has healed me. So you never know that there could be an emotional barrier which is going through you, and that emotional barrier he was able to remove. And I'm so very thankful to him. And I feel that if you're able to identify those barrier points, it makes your path of treating people in a better way. So that is a good learning for me personally. And people who really want to heal others or want to help people with I won't say mental diseases, but with any emotional disturbances that they are going through, then and you are ready to understand people, you are ready to be there patiently to listen out to them, then counseling and psychotherapy can be selected as your career. So anyone who wants to enter into a counseling and psychotherapy, want to make that as a career path, NHCA is your destination point, or is your point where you can go and learn this course and use it as your profession in the future. So thank you to the NHCA team. Special thanks to Mittal sir and Aarti ma'am. I'm really grateful to all of you for helping me select this. Everything has a right time, right moment, and NHCA was the best thing that happened to me, and I'm really grateful to each one of you. So thank you very much, and I really look forward that whatever knowledge I have gained here, I use it in a correct way and in a proper way, so that it will help me personally as well as professionally in treating people and counseling them in a better way. And even during this course, that I've seen is I've used certain techniques of 352 or the breathing techniques even down the staircase, and I've seen that patients have started responding well. So that gives me confidence that yes, I can more confidently treat people and counsel them in a better way. So thank you very much.